Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to guide you through setting up Anaconda and Miniconda to prepare your computer for your first machine learning project. So let's get started. We will start exploring a flowchart implemented by Daniel Burke. I will give his website down in the description. To refresh our mind, what are Anaconda, Miniconda, and Conda? Anaconda and Miniconda are software distributions. Anaconda comes with over 300 data science packages, everything you could imagine, whereas Miniconda comes with a handful of what's needed. Conda is a package manager. It helps you take care of your different packages by handling, installing, updating, and removing them. As a start, and how to decide which distribution packages to use, Anaconda or Miniconda, it's very simple. If you have 3 gigabytes of space on your computer and want all the packages to be available in this Anaconda, you can use Anaconda. However, if you don't have that much space on your computer and you don't mind doing some setup for your packages and environment, you can use Miniconda. Let's start with installing Anaconda. So by looking at the flowchart for installing Anaconda, we can see the steps here. The first one is to download for sure Anaconda, install it on our computer, then test the installation, load up our Jupyter notebook and import certain packages like Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib, scikit-learn to see if everything is working properly. At the beginning, you can go to the website Anaconda, where you can choose which operating system you have and install Anaconda accordingly. In my case, I will be using Macintosh and I will install this one. So just click on it and it will download and you can install it. I will not go into this setup because I already have Anaconda installed. If you want to see how Anaconda looks like once you install it, it's gonna be like this. And here how it looks like. You can see it has lots of tools where you can use them in your data science projects or any machine learning or neural networks implementation. In our case, later on, we're gonna be use Jupyter Notebook and or Visual Studio Code. To check if Anaconda is installed and functional properly, you can go to the Environment tab, and here you can see that all the packages appears in the list here. You can do that through its terminal. Just press this open terminal by using the Conda list. Conda list. And by doing a simple comparison between what's in the graphical user interface and what's in the terminal, we can tell 100% that each package has been listed there in the terminal. If you go to the end of the list and in the graphical user interface, you go to the end of it, it is the same. Now, the final steps is to load Jupyter Notebook and import certain packages to see everything is working fine. We can launch Jupyter Notebook in either two commands. The first one is through the graphical user interface of Anaconda installation. And here it launched it. And the second way is through the terminal command by going to open the terminal and type Jupyter Notebook. Both will work perfectly. Now we make a new notebook and we type this command to import certain packages, and just to make sure that the importation is working fine, I'm printing like import done, and we run it. We can see that we got the output. It means that all these packages were already installed in Anaconda, and by this we can say that our installation of Anaconda has been completed successfully. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to install Anaconda. In the next tutorial, I'm going to explain the steps needed to install Miniconda. Stay tuned.